Hello and welcome back. Now it's time for the final action step, which is setting up your Trello account. So I'm going to Trello.com to create a free account just to show you some changes between the free and the paid plan. So I'm going to sign up and it's going to ask me for a name, an email, a password, and then I can create an account, or you can sign up with your Google account if you prefer something a little faster. So I entered everything. Now I'm going to click create new account. And it's going to take me to the onboarding of Trello. So it sent me an email to confirm my membership. So I need to confirm my email first, and then let's see what's going to happen. So now I have confirmed my Trello email, and as you can see, it has the new view. If you were using Trello before, they had some sort of an old view for the boards and everything, and this one is so much more simplified. So in here, this is their mascot. It's called Taco, and it's really cute. Like, this is another thing, but I just wanted to mention this. And in here we have an untitled board. You can create a board from here, and as you can see, everything is blue. Okay, so when you go to boards here, of course you can create boards for your teams. If there's a project that you're working with someone or anything like that, you can totally create a board for your team. So here we have an untitled board and we have the welcome board. Let me go to this untitled one. And as you can see, you have a to-do, doing, done. You can click in here to change the name of this list. And of course, you can add cards. Same goes for any of those. But the look is not actually that good. Like, I know some people are visual like me, so they like something more appealing. So you need to use the refer method that I told you about in the previous video to actually earn months of their paid plan. Or if you want to upgrade and pay for the upgrade, that's totally worth it too. It's not that much. So if I click show menu in here, it says to change the background. You can choose colors or photos, but you need to upgrade in order to do that. Okay, and then in here it says filter cards, power-ups, and the power-ups you can actually use things from your calendar and Google Drive and more. And in here you can even add stickers to your board. Now again, you need to upgrade in order to do that. These are some of the stickers, and there are more in here. So if you're a sticker person, I totally am, but not digitally. Actually, I'm more of a paper sticker person. You can totally check these out when you upgrade. So now, how do we upgrade? So you're going to go to Trello.com/gold. Okay, let me go to this address. So here it is, Trello Gold. You can pay $5 per month or $45 per year, or you can get it for free by sharing Trello. So when you click here, it will take you to a share page where you can earn up to 12 months, a full year of Trello Gold for free, which is what I've done. And it says here that you have earned 0 free months yet because I didn't refer anyone yet from this account. So what you can do is to copy this link and recommend it, send it to people on social media, some of your friends who may need this. You can email the link to your friends or family, or you can share it on Twitter and on Facebook. Even if you're a member of Facebook groups, there are so many people who are still not aware of Trello yet. And it's totally fine for you to share this if you are going to enjoy it, which I so know you will. After implementing the system that we talked about in the previous videos, I am sure you are going to use Trello for as long as you can. So until you upgrade, what can you do? You can start renaming the boards. Let me go to home here. You can rename this board from here. Let's name this, for example, content to create. And then let's go back in here and create another board and name it content marketing and create that board. So there are a few backgrounds that are stock backgrounds, but they're not that customizable, if you know what I mean. So you can go back in here and maybe do something for housework. Let's choose this one for now. Call this, for example, housework. Of course, you don't have to have housework. These are just things that I do that I want. And this is why I told you I don't want to give you names for the boards. You need to identify your priorities and make your lists yourself. This is where the fun is. So in here, you can add a list, something so for the house, I can maybe add weekly cleaning, and then I can have another list for meal prep, and another list for laundry. And yes, I can have a list for laundry if I want to. This is where it's fun. And then in here we may have something like factors, appointments, or let's say fun, family time. Oops. Family time ideas. You see, the possibilities are endless, and this is why I highly recommend you create your boards your own. Now you have everything you need to get everything organized. And I still have one more surprise for you. In order to organize things, sometimes we need a little bit of motivation to actually do this. So I have a little challenge for you. If you finish this course from start to finish and start taking action, I want you to take a screenshot of your Trello boards and post it to the Q&A section, because if you do, I may have a little surprise gift for you, just to encourage you to keep moving on and to keep organizing things. Okay, so I want you to go to the Q&A section after you finish the video, and after you go ahead and create all of your boards, take a screenshot of your boards and of one of your checklists for me and tell me how much this helped, and I may have a very, very good surprise gift for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the Q&A section or send me a message with them. I will be more than happy to help. And if you're stuck on what type of boards do you want to have, or you can't prioritize right or anything like that, feel free to also post everything you want to ask for my help for in the Q&A section, and I will try to, as much as I can, I will try to help you identify your categories, and we will work on your boards together. Thanks again, and I